Not so long ago, in the mysterious land of Hottieville, USA, three friends decide to play a video game.
What's up? You guys on?
Hey, what's up? I'm here.
Yo, what's up?
Alright, how we feeling?
Pretty matched, man. What you got for us?
Alright, I got some crazy shit for y'all. It's called The Curse of the Serpent Woman.
Some real crazy dark web shit, so don't even ask how I got it.
Hi! Before you play the game, make sure to read the rules.
There we go.
Player beware, you're in for a scare. Pick up the controller, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. This is...
What?
This is boring. Next.
Okay, now that you've read the rules, are you ready to play?
Y'all ready to do this?
I'm ready, why not? Let's play.
Let's go, baby.
Let's do this.
And if the beat live, you know I be showing my ass they met him. Bitches is bitter, they thought it was sweet. All of a sudden they beatin', they don't want beef. Talking out of veneers, I'm knocking out teeth. I pop shit, they went pop. They bought Birkins, I bought stock. They still on a boat, I'm on a yacht. They taking shots, I'm taking spots. I see the shade, then they get blocked. They see the chain, then they went blind. Yeah, I know I'm different, I'm one of a kind. I took off on bitches and left them behind. How do you hate me if I'm on your mind? Sending me messages, ain't Valentine. Bitches is messy, but I'm petty. Don't gotta edit. Check the Getty, I keep it real, I keep it sexy. Holler for backup before they address me. Pros do all of that typing, but never once did I get pressed. It's obvious bitches obsessed. If it's fuck me, then we having sex. If I pop back, then they go. Bitch, your time up. These bitches only hot on. Yeah, bitches doing all that womp, 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 womp. Bitch, your time up. Why is you not clocking that? Doing shit for TikTok. Bitch, I'm really hip hop. They all know my shit hot. Ain't listen when your shit drop. All my diamonds dancing. I ain't need to make no TikTok. Bitch, your time up. Yeah. Hair long, money long, counting up for hours. I don't want no minute man. Fuck me for some hours. Ayy, chains wet. I'm in love with money showers. Ayy, do. I love the sound of money counters. Boy, I'm a player, not a savior. Niggas and princess, I got every flavor. Take a picture, I post for the haters. Showing my ass like a blood entertainer. From the back, you can tell I'm from Texas. Yellow diamonds in my necklace. Just crossing another op off the checklist. Spanking these rap bitches, yeah, that's my fetish. He do what I tell him. I do what I wanna do. All that fucking talking, but let's see who really make a move. Post a picture, bitches call me mother. Now who's son and who? Bitch, your time up. These bitches only hot on. Yeah, bitches doing all that womp, 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 womp. Bitch, your time up. Why is you not clocking that? Doing shit for TikTok. Bitch, I'm really hip hop. They all know my shit hot. Ain't listen when your shit drop. All my diamonds dancing. I ain't need to make no TikTok. Bitch, your time up. Yeah.
Thanks for playing.
টেলিফোন বেজে চলেছে, তুমি চুপ কেন? ফোন হাতে দাঁড়িয়ে আছো, একটু কথা বলো। টেলিফোন বেজে চলেছে, তুমি চুপ কেন? ফোন হাতে দাঁড়িয়ে আছো, একটু কথা বলো, কথা বলো। আগে তোমার ভুল ছিল দুজনা ক্ষমা চেয়েছি আমি আগে তোমার চাইনি এ প্রেম ভেঙে যায় দুদিনের অভিমানে দুজনা কথা বলো টেলিফোন বেজে চলেছে তুমি চুপ কেন ফোন হাতে দাঁড়িয়ে আছো একটু কথা বলো কথা বলো অনুতাপে দগ্ধ হয়ে বুঝতে পেরেছো কি ভুল তোমার অনুতাপে দগ্ধ হয়ে বুঝতে পেরেছো কি ভুল তোমার অশ্রু সজল করে দু চোখ তোমার কেঁদেছো কি সারা রাত দুরাশা কথা বলো টেলিফোন বেজে চলেছে তুমি চুপ কেন ফোন হাতে দাঁড়িয়ে আছো একটু কথা বলো টেলিফোন বেজে চলেছে তুমি চুপ কেন ফোন হাতে দাঁড়িয়ে আছো একটু কথা বলো কথা বলো